Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. In Malaysia and Japan, Bao Buns are popular street snack. It's also known as steamed buns packed with pork, but when you cook it at home, you may use whatever filling you like. So let's see how to make this chicken stuffed Bao Buns. Before we move on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon for all the new updates and notifications from our channel. Into a large bowl, add in some all-purpose flour, instant dry yeast, and some honey. Instead of honey, you can use sugar. Mix it nicely. Then add in some salt and some warm water and warm milk mix. Add some vegetable oil or any flavorless oil. Now mix it and knead this into a dough. If you feel it dry, you can add more warm water and make it into a dough. Now knead this dough for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes really soft. Once it becomes nicely soft, pour some oil, apply it all over. Cover the bowl and let it proof for 1 to 2 hours until it becomes double in size. Meanwhile, let's make the chicken filling. So marinate the chicken with some ginger garlic paste and chili powder. And for the coating, I'm using all-purpose flour, salt and some pepper powder. Keep it ready. Now let's heat some oil in a pan. Take each chicken pieces, coat it with the flour, fry it in oil. Fry all the chicken pieces in the same way until it gets golden brown color. Once it turns golden brown, take it out from oil. Now I'm going to make a sauce for the chicken. Into a pan, add some butter. You can use any type of sauces, but here I'm using a butter sauce. Once the butter gets melted, add in some chili sauce, some tomato sauce, soy sauce, and some crushed garlic. Mix everything really well. Once it is well combined, add the fried chicken pieces and saute it. Finally, add some sesame seeds. Now our chicken is ready. Keep it aside and let's make the bao buns. As you can see, the dough got doubled in size. Scrape it down to the countertop and knead it for a while. Now divide the dough into small portions. Roll it. Now you can cut this into small round shapes and then give it a fold like this. Just press it down and keep it aside to another tray for second proofing. Now after this half fold, you can roll the dough slightly so that it will not get open up while the second proofing. And as these are steamed buns, let's take a steamer and place the buns inside. I've added a parchment paper at the bottom so that these buns will not stick to the pan while steaming. Now steam these buns on a medium flame for 10 minutes and our bao buns are ready. Let it cool down. Now once it cools down, let's fill it up with the chicken. Now slowly open the bun like this. Place the chicken pieces inside. Some coriander leaves and some pickled onion. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. And our chicken bao bun is ready. Now instead of chicken, you can make veg bao buns with some paneer, tofu, mushrooms or just mixed vegetables. These steamed buns are really soft and taste great with any type of filling. So do try out this amazing recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.